How to enable control panel in new Miui. So if you want to enable the new control panel option in your Xiaomi, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings on your Xiaomi device. So simply tap on settings, and under settings you need to scroll down and you need to go and search for the notifications option. Tap on notifications. Under notifications you just need to simply scroll down, and here you may have an option of notification shade. So tap on notification shade. Once you tap on it, you can scroll down and you will have control center and status bar. So tap on that control center and status bar, and again scroll down and you will get use new control center. So you just need to simply enable that option or toggle on that option. Once you toggle it on, then you will be able to have the new control panel. So that's how you can have a new control panel or enable it in your Xiaomi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.